practice our cursive writing by taking some names of dresses. First, pant. You love to wear pants, isn't it? Colorful pants. Spell pant. P-A-N-T. Pant. P. A. N. T. Pant. Let's write the P capital. P. A. N. T. Pant. With pant, what will you wear? Shirt. Yes, you like to have colorful, nice designer shirt. Spell shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Skirt. S. H. I. R. T. Shirt. Let's write S capital. S. H. I. R. T. Shirt. Pant and shirt. And you look smart. Yes. Next. Little girls love to wear skirt. Spell skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. Short skirt or long skirts, whatever. Colorful, pretty skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. Let's write S. K. I. R. T. Skirt. Let's write S capital. S. K. I. R. T. Skirt. With skirt, what will you wear? You wear a lovely top. T-O-P. Top. Skirt and top. Yes, skirt. T. O. P. Top. Let's write T capital. T. O. P. Top. Let's look at the four set of dresses. Pant. P-A-N-T. Pant. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. T-O-P. Top. Let's take another set of dresses. Now, when you go on a picnic, you love to have short pants. That's called shorts. And you feel easy to move about and feel happy. Colorful, nice, comfortable shorts. Spell shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. Yes? Let's write S. H. O. R. T. S. Shorts. Let's write S. H. O. R. T. S. Shorts. Next, you like when your brother goes on a bike or daddy goes on a bike, they wear a lovely jacket to keep yourself warm. Jacket. Yes? Now, jackets are thick to keep you warm. When you go on the bike, you do not feel cold. Yes. Jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. Right. Let's write jacket. J. A. C. K. T, jacket. Yes, let's write the J capital. J A C K E T, jacket. Young boys love to have lovely thick jacket, black jacket, brown jacket. Little boys like colorful jacket. Yes. Now, with jacket, what will you wear? Lovely jeans. You like to have thick jeans to keep you warm when you go on a bike. Jeans. 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 J E A N S. A pair of jeans you love to have, isn't it? Color. Let's write the J capital. Jeans. J E A N S. Jeans. Now, when it is really chill, you like to have a jacket with the hood on the top. Hoodie. 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 It's lovely because you can take the hoodie, put it on your head, and you feel warm. Your ears are blocked. Yes, let's write the H capital. H. O. O. D. I. E. Hoodie. Let's look at the 4 dresses we have written. Okay, shorts. 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 You wear shorts at a picnic. You wear shorts at home to make yourself comfortable. Jacket. Love to wear. Little boys like to wear lovely jacket to keep yourself warm when going on a bike. Jacket. 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 Jeans. Everyone loves to wear jeans. 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 To keep yourself warm, with the jacket you can have a hood to place it on your head. The one-piece dress that's called hoodie. 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 Let's take the next set of dresses. At home, grandma feels very cold. She's old. And what does mommy say? Put on the sweater, grandma. Sweater. Spell sweater. 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 On cold days when you go to school, you also wear a sweater to keep yourself nice and warm when you journey in your car or school bus. Sweater. Let's write down. SWEATER. Sweater. Let's write. S capital. SWEATER. Sweater. Now, sometimes there's a special function and daddy puts on the coat. Yes, he'll have a coat and a tie. Coat. And he looks very smart. And how do you spell coat? COAT. Coat. Let's write. COAT. Coat. Let's write the C capital. COAT. Coat. When mommy goes to school, or when mommy goes to drop you somewhere, or when mommy goes to work, what does she wear? Sari. Spell sari. S-A-R-E-E. Sari. Colorful, beautiful sari. Let's write. S A R E E. Sari. Let's write S capital. S A R E E. Sari. When mommy goes for a party, she takes you. She wears beautiful sari. And what do you put on, you little girl? Frock. You love to wear frock. What kind of frock you like? Short frock or long gown? What is long frock? Which one? Nice, short, frilly frock with a beautiful bow at the back. Spell frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. F R O C K. Frog. Let's write F capital. F R O C K. Frog. Let's look at the 4 dresses, names of dresses. Sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Sweater. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Sari. S-A-R-E-E. Sari. Frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock.